Okay, so I'm really glad that I double checked my work because I actually would have put the leaf spring in backwards, like I already mentioned that you should be careful of. I was going to put the front into the back and the back into the front. So remember, from the front of the eyelet here, from here to the post is 24 inches. And from the post in the center to the rear eyelet is 30 inches. So I'm going to put this bushing in on this side, and then we're going to put the leaf spring in, and then we're going to put this shoulder bolt in. Okay. Alright. Now what you really want to be careful of is not losing this nut inside the frame.